Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Taking me out to sea. Got one. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Wow. Think about that. Freaking day. But finally paid off. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Catching Across Texas Fishing. It's been quite a while since my last episode, but my channel's still been growing, and I appreciate all you folks that subscribe. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell. And most importantly, I definitely want to hear any comments you guys have, any questions, anything. Even if you'd like to just say hi and let me know where you're watching from, I definitely would appreciate it. So like I said, it's been a while since I've been able to get out in the water, and that's because we've had a horrendously hot and dry summer here in Texas. It's been close to 2 months straight of 100-degree plus temperatures. Of course, that makes for low lake levels and a really tough fishing. Now we're at early September, so hopefully we'll start seeing some cooler weather and hopefully even a bit of rain soon. This morning I'm back out of my local pond. It's definitely low, and I've been out here a couple times over the last 2 weeks. I'm probably going to go ahead and include all those trips in this video. Also, I do plan on getting more content out with this cooler weather, and coming this October, I'll be taking my first trip out to one of my bucket list lakes here in Texas, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in, and let's get this party started. Starting off with a Whopper Plopper. Oh, come on. Nice one, nice one. Come on. Fatty. Holy cow. Good Lord, he choked it. Got it. Okay. It's a fatty. Definitely a fatty. So I cut that girl going right along parallel with this grass line right here. She actually didn't hit too far away from the bank. here's the Whopper Plopper I caught her on. It's a Whopper Plopper 75, and this is kind of like a perch color. I just saw like looked like maybe a 5 or 6 pound bass right to my left here. It did look like a dolphin jumping out of the water. Ooh, man. That scared the pee out of me. Right here, literally a foot from the bank. So right now this pond is full of baby bullfrog, which are basically giant tadpoles. And I think that's probably one of the main forages right now because they stay close to the bank, and that's where I'm starting to hear a lot of splashing, or I've been hearing a lot of splashing. If you look out there, you can still see them. That was one that just went for it. So the top water seemed to slow down, so I'm switching to my Old Faithful drop shot. There's one. Little one. Drop shot with a Strike King caffeine shad. Here's that caffeine shad. Just caught that one on. The heck? Ah, the fish. Oh yeah. Wow, it's been a long time. It has been a long time. too bad. Caught him on a Texas rig, just dragging it across the bottom. Of course, that one actually had just messed up my line. I was fixing it when he bit it, so maybe I need to slow it down even more. I'm using a Strike King cutter worm with a I think this is actually might be a ½ ounce or 3/8. I'm honestly not sure on the weight. There's the lure. There's one. Little guy. But he choked it. Not real big. If you look down the bank here, you can see where the water line usually is up here where the tree roots are, and out there you can see where it's dry, where it's muddy, or it's dried up. That's where the usually covered by water as well. All along here where the reeds are, all that's usually underwater. So we definitely need some water, some major rain. It is first day of September, so hopefully we'll start getting some soon. All along here, all the way up to where the brown grass kind of stops, that's typically underwater as well. Well, actually no, right here. This edge right here is where the water usually goes up to. And then you can see the reeds over there, they're usually halfway underwater as well. Major, major drought. We need some relief. There's one. Ugh, come on. Ooh, feels like a good one. Come on, buddy. You want to come in? That one's not bad. Not bad at all. And I was just barely dragging it. Thank you for playing. Come on, get out that mud. Other way. There you go. I hope it's getting too dark to film anymore. I'm gonna keep fishing though for a little bit, so if I catch any more, I'll just have to post some pictures. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hit that like button. Be sure to comment. See y'all again soon.